back to my channel. My name is C for those who don't know me, and for those who know me, welcome back. We'll be doing this, trying to do this rice wall challenge. What everybody is trying on their hair. I miss my little hair, so I think I want to try it too and see if it's gonna grow back as fast as everybody said it is. So right now, I have some rice. I'm gonna try with regular rice first before I try and go get the organic rice. We're gonna try this regular rice. We're gonna do what people say do. I've been seeing a lot of people use this regular rice, so I don't think it's gonna hurt. But as of right now, we're gonna just go with this rice right here. Before you start watching this video, make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss my next video. So let's get into this video. Okay guys, right here I'm just working the rice around in this bowl. Make sure all the dirt is off of it. Now I'm about to pour the dirty water off before I let the rice sit in the bowl for 24 hours. Okay, now I'm about to get a cup of water and pour over the rice. I fill it until it covers the rice. So now it's time to let it sit for 24 hours. Okay guys, it has been 24 hours. So now I'm about to transfer the water over to my spray bottle. So guys, it's ready to use. That'll be all. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video with me using the rice water on my hair. I'm gonna do that in a separate video, so stay tuned for that.